This is Dr. Robert L. Lawson with another motivational moment. I wrote an original poem, and it's called Destined for Greatness. And it goes like this. When you are destined for greatness, your motivation comes from within. It will neither be fear nor incentive that displays your conviction to win. Your thoughts will be turned into action. You will do what you say you will do. You will learn to live life with a passion, and you'll force all your dreams to come true. Once you've made a commitment to meet every challenge in sight, you're going to know that you're destined for greatness, but you'll have the courage to fight. And as you strive to master the change, and you move toward a newly set goal, the strength that you need to survive will rise up from deep in your soul. Enthusiasm will spring from within you as you stand up to answer the call. And as you achieve each objective, you will show how the best give their all. The attitude which you have chosen, it might cause you to reach for a star, but if your search is for fine gold and silver, you got to look inside to see just who you are. Maintain your compelling obsession. Resolve in your thinking to win. And press on the heart of a champion and unleash that greatness within. This is Dr. Robert L. Lawson encouraging you to make a great day.